Chainsaws aren't just for professional loggers. These powerful tools are also essential for homeowners who want to maintain their property or often cut wood to keep cozy at an outdoor fire pit. When buying a chainsaw, type is the most important consideration. Gas-powered chainsaws are the most powerful, but because they're the hardest to start and maintain, we think they're best for heavy-duty work, such as felling big trees and cutting firewood. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best chainsaws for your next project, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best chainsaws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So let's go to over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i. Husqvarna has long been one of the top chainsaw brands, renowned for its powerful gas chainsaws. Now, Husqvarna is winning acclaim for its 40-volt battery-powered chainsaw, with just as much power as comparable gas models, if not more, which is unusual. We put this chainsaw to the test on a property with heavily overgrown trees and shrubs, and were amazed at how easily and smoothly it cut through a tree stump and overgrown branches, all without much noise and no smelly fumes. We were even more impressed with its long battery runtime. It ran for hours without recharging, easy maneuverability, and its lightweight frame. For slightly less than $500, the chainsaw has an 18-inch bar, so it can cut through stumps or logs as thick as 16 to 17 inches. Although you won't be able to swap out other sizes, and includes 140-volt, 7.5 amp-hour battery, plus a charger. One unique feature of this chainsaw is its boost mode, which gives you a burst of 25% more power at the push of a button. Using the boost mode will reduce your battery runtime, but the added kick can help you cut through tougher wood. The chainsaw has a brushless motor and cooling system that helps increase the motor's efficiency and improve the battery life. Like most of the picks on this list, it comes with an automatic oiler to keep it running smoothly. While not an inexpensive purchase, it's easy to use and maintain. Next on our list is the Makita UC 4051A electric chainsaw. This corded electric chainsaw is surprisingly powerful for a model without a gas motor. It cuts fast and hard and is easy to use. It features a 16-inch bar that is robust enough to cut through fairly large logs and limbs with ease, so if you have a fallen tree to tackle, this is the chainsaw to choose. No tool is required to adjust the chain tension, which means you'll be able to save time. If you're working all afternoon on a project, you don't have to stop every couple of hours to look for tools. However, as specified by the manufacturer, you'll need to plug into an outdoor-rated extension cord that's no longer than 50 feet. This Makita features an ergonomic rubberized handle that helps reduce vibrations to your hands. It has an automatic oiler to keep the chain running smoothly, and there's a large window that lets you easily see when the bar oil is running low, so you can buy some ahead of it being empty. You'll appreciate how easy it is to use this powerful chainsaw, and will especially love not dealing with a higher maintenance gas engine. However, the chainsaw weighs just over 12 pounds, which is the second. Coming in at number 3 is the Husqvarna 455 Rancher gas chainsaw. If you're looking for a rugged chainsaw that can handle a lot of use and abuse, the Husqvarna 455 Rancher is a tried and true option that's hard to beat when it comes to power and reliability. This gas-powered beast has a large 20-inch bar, although it can handle bars up to 24 inches in length, or go down as low as a 13-inch bar if you prefer to swap the included bar with a different size. The impressive 2-stroke 55.5cc engine can rev up to 9,000 RPM, chewing smoothly through logs, tree trunks, or shrubs with ease. You can cut through wood up to 36 inches in diameter, but make sure you follow safety protocols and contact a professional if needed. This Husqvarna is a low-vibration model with an engine designed to increase fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. The chainsaw is carb compliant. Like most gas chainsaws, you'll have to yank the start cord a few extra times if the temperatures are chilly, although the Smart Start system helps. You do need to mix gas and oil in a 50:1 ratio, like the other gas models on our list, and the spark plugs and air filter will need regular maintenance. Still, this is a very easy chainsaw to use, considering the length of its bar. Just keep in mind that at a bit over 13 pounds without gas, it is somewhat heavy and the heaviest option on our list. At number 4, we have the Ego Power Plus 56V Cordless Chainsaw. Cordless chainsaws can be expensive, especially if you have to purchase the battery and charger separately, but this sturdy chainsaw from Ego includes the 56-volt 2.5 amp-hour battery, plus a charger. And we have no qualms about power, which, as we addressed above, is sometimes an issue with battery-powered models. Ego claims it has the same power as a 40cc gas chainsaw. For context, that's more power than our best value pick. The 16-inch bar and chain make quick work of any backyard maintenance. With a fully charged battery, you can expect up to 130 cuts before running out of juice. Once that happens, it's only 50 minutes on the charger before it's fully charged, and you're back in business. The chainsaw requires no tools to adjust the chain tension, and it has an automatic oiler, although you'll need to purchase the bar oils separately. The only downside to this chainsaw is that it's relatively heavy at almost 12 pounds with the battery in place. Last, number 5, Greenworks 40-volt cordless pole saw. A pole saw is a small chainsaw mounted on an extension pole for use in trimming tree branches overhead. It lets you remain safely on the ground, rather than attempting to reach branches from a ladder or by climbing the tree, which is not something we recommend you do. This one from Greenworks is our favorite pole saw because it can cut branches up to 6 inches in diameter. The pole comes in 3 pieces that you can customize to reach up to 8 feet. This lets you reach even high branches easily, although it can be tricky to maneuver the tool overhead without practice. Still, you'll get the hang of it after a brief learning curve and will appreciate how easy it is to keep your trees and tall shrubs looking their best. The pole saw comes with a 40-volt 2 amp-hour battery that can provide up to 65 cuts on a single charge. Once it runs out of juice, it takes less than 45 minutes to fully recharge. We also love the cushioned handle for comfortable maneuvering. At under 10 pounds, it remains lightweight, so you won't become fatigued after hours of work. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make